Hi guys, and welcome to Malaysia. Today I have just checked into my new hotel, the Forest City Phoenix Hotel, as you can see behind me here. This is an amazing hotel and I'm going to show you inside in a little bit. But basically this is a new development area in Malaysia which is very close to Singapore. Let me show you Singapore. On that side you have Singapore, and this is going to be the new tourist attraction in Malaysia. So I thought I was going to show you what the hotels are like here. And this is not a 5-star hotel, it's a 4-star. So follow me and I'll show you some more. So when you arrive at the Forest City Phoenix Hotel, this is what will greet you. A huge hall, and you have the reception to the left or to the right, and you have the entrance area. Look at it. I don't know what to say. I'm flabbergasted. And then there's the view. The view is something to kill for. And on the other side, as you see the buildings there, it's Singapore. Waking up this morning, this is my second day at the Forest City Phoenix Hotel. I've kind of been wandering around looking to see what kind of stuff they have here, since it's a new building and a new community. I sort of wondered, why are they building massive amounts of skyscrapers and hotels here in the Forest City ecosystem? So this Forest City Phoenix Hotel is only about 1.5 hours away from Changi Airport in Singapore. So it's easily accessible, and you get here by cab pretty easily. So this is the pool area, and this is where I'm going to spend my day today. I mean, it's hot outside, the sun is shining, and the water, great.